Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up an e-commerce site on Ecwid. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard on Ecwid. The way I got to this dashboard is I went to the Ecwid site, signed up for an account. Of course, I used my Google account. You can use whichever account you want. You can use Facebook and you can use Apple accounts as well. You can also just manually use your email and whatever else you want and then sign up for an account. Once you do that, you'll be prompted with a questionnaire which will help you better set up your site. I've set up my site for services. However, you can use whatever you want. Once you actually create your site, you can sell whatever you want, and then you'll get this to-do list which will help you set up everything up. You can set up your site, website, and storefront by going to website or clicking here. If you go into website overview, you can edit other things here. You can edit the online store, you can edit the site appearance, the site content. You can also edit the domain name, SEO settings, advanced website settings such as custom JavaScript code and site redirects, and you can add your store to other sites. Other than that, you can also set up your shipping and pickup, which you can just add through this screen right here. You can also go into payment, and you can set up different payment methods over here. They are all region dependent, so some regions will have less, some regions will have more. But in this case, I do have a lot of payment options which I can set up since my store is set up for Poland. Other than that, of course, you can review your regional settings such as your country, language, and currency. And that is pretty much it. Once you set everything up, you can also add your products by going to catalog and into product. And as you can see, you can just click here to add a new product. You can also import products from other sites as well. For example, if you're migrating from Shopify, you can import here. And if you have a premium account, you can export your items from here and migrate to a different store as well. And that is pretty much it. Once you set everything up, that should be it, and you'll be able to sell your items on your online storefront for e-commerce. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.